Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to make Snapchat private account. Make sure to subscribe to Fix It for more tutorials. Let's open up the Snapchat application, and then tap on your Bitmoji icon at the top left corner of the screen. Once you are on the profile page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. So now what you want to do next is scroll down until you see a section called Privacy Control. Once you find a, tap on option Contact Me, who can contact you directly with snaps, calls, chats, etc. Right now, this is set for everyone. So, in order to make the account private, change this to Friends. And now only your friends can contact you. After that, go back and tap on View My Story. Change it to Friends only. You can also tap on Custom and block certain friends from viewing your story. Now go back and tap on See Me in Quick Add. And you want to untick this. Show Me in Quick Add. Now your account won't be shown in Quick Add. Go back to the settings screen and tap on See My Location. So now you have a couple of different options to choose from. Right now, it's set to My Friends, which means all of your friends are able to see your location. The second option is My Friends Except. If you select that, you can block some of your friends from seeing your location. And the third option is Only These Friends. If you select that one, you can select specific friends, and only those selected friends will be able to see your location. And at the top, Ghost Mode. If you toggle this on, your location will be hidden from everyone. If this tutorial helped you today, make sure to subscribe to Fix It. Leave a comment below on what you want to see next.